Hello, Trektrove family. It's Avi here, and I'm thrilled to have you join us for yet another adventure with your favorite trekking enthusiasts. We've got a packed itinerary filled with stunning landscapes, local flavors, and of course, some good old-fashioned trekking. So join us on this 3-day adventure as we uncover hidden gems, share some pro tips, and most importantly, make memories that will last a lifetime. Are you ready? Let's get started on this Trektrove journey. On day 1, our adventure kicked off from Brisbane, taking us through Nimbin, Djanbang Gardens, Protesters Falls, and Minyon Falls. The journey covered approximately 190 kilometers and took us around 2 hours and 40 minutes to reach Nimbin from Brisbane. If you're planning to make the trip from Brisbane, make sure to plan accordingly and start early to make the most of your exploration. Nimbin Candles is an Australian company dedicated to crafting non-toxic, hand-dipped candles using traditional methods. The manufacturing facility operates 7 days a week and there is no entry fee for visitors. Plenty of parking, so nothing to worry about, and 30 minutes is ample time to thoroughly explore the factory. There's a little cafe and a gift shop behind the factory to take a break and enjoy some refreshments or find a unique souvenir. Nimbin Candle Factory employs the time-honored technique of continuously dipping each individual wick to create a tapers. Utilizing the highest-grade paraffin wax ensures the candle's excellence. Furthermore, the dyes applied in the process are derived from vegetable sources. They use a special water-driven dipping deck and it can make up to 1,500 perfect tapers at once. The water-driven dipping deck is lowered and lifted, dipping 40 to 60 times the individual wick into a tank filled with wax, creating the perfect taper. They offer candles in various shapes and sizes to buy and also offers plant-based oils and balm for purchase. Next up was Djanbang Gardens, around 4 minutes drive from Nimbin Candle Factory. The name Djanbang, meaning platypus in the local Wayabul language, was given by Uncle Eric Walker, a respected elder. In around August 1993, it began its transformation from an empty, cow pasture on the outskirts of the village into the thriving and recognized garden that it is today. The gardens are accessible to the public on Wednesdays and Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Visitors have the option to explore the gardens through 2 different avenues. Explore the gardens by booking a guided tour, but pre-booking is necessary, or alternatively a self-guided tour. Djanbang Gardens, designed by permaculture pioneer Robin Francis, is a living example of how permaculture can help revive the land. They offer online courses, and you can find more information on their official website. Next up was Protesters Falls, which was around 52 minutes drive from Djanbang Gardens. Access to the falls is typically through a walking track in the national park. The falls are situated in a lush rainforest environment, offering visitors a chance to experience the beauty and biodiversity of the subtropical rainforest in the Nightcap National Park. The area, including Nightcap National Park, holds cultural significance for the local Aboriginal people. It's advisable to be respectful of the cultural heritage while visiting. The name Protesters Falls is a nod to the historical significance of the area because people in the past protested and worked hard to stop the tree logging in this area. This happened around 1979, and the name Protesters Falls is a way to remember and honor those efforts to protect the rainforest. The sight of the Protesters Falls is genuinely enchanting and awe-inspiring. Next and final destination to explore for the day was Minyon Falls Lookout, around 60 minutes drive from Protesters Falls. The journey from Protesters Falls to Minyon Falls spans a distance of 41 kilometers, and the rough tracks along the way make for a challenging yet entertaining 1-hour drive. The Minyon Falls Lookout provides breathtaking views of both the cascading waterfall and the lush rainforest surroundings. Featuring convenient parking facilities and designated picnic spots, it stands as an ideal destination for a memorable day trip, particularly for those exploring Byron Bay. The Minyon Falls Lookout boasts the most stunning panoramic views in the region. From the lookout platform, you can enjoy the amazing view of the impressive falls and the beautiful valley below. The clifftops are covered with Australian eucalyptus trees, such as blackbutt and scribbly gum. There's also a lovely pool at the bottom of the falls, which is a perfect spot to cool down and unwind. If you want to stay longer at Minyon Falls, there's a picnic area with lots of shady trees and tables. You can also go on some walks from there, like the Boggy Creek Walk to Rummery Park Campground, or the Minyon Falls walking track that goes down to the bottom of the falls. It's a great place to spend more time and explore.